is going on? What is going on? I'm asking you, elders of Umuaguse, what is going on? All the miscreants you call great ones are all not able to proper solution to my problems. So I ask you, elders of Umuaguse, is there something you're not telling me?
EKE, please calm down.
Oh no! Did I hear you say calm down? Did I hear you say calm down? I am constantly having nightmares and you ask me to calm down. My kingdom is on fire and you ask me to calm down. I am unable to have a son, an heir to the throne, and you ask me to calm down.
Your Majesty, let us go inside and deliberate on this issue. Great Akataka said solution is within. Let us look inwards and ask questions if we can find solution to this problem.
EKE, Icheude is right. Let's go inside and talk about this, please.
And what are you still looking? To your position! Can you imagine the nonsense? Such waste of time! Hey! What is this? What is this? Man!
Olu, this is so strange. This has never been heard or seen before.
Your Majesty, this is an abomination. Our kingdom is in trouble.
Strange. Strange tortoise on my throne! Now you have an idea what my family and I are passing through. And why I have been seeking for solution! Look! A tortoise on my throne!
Your Majesty, what do we do?
You will assemble all the villagers. I need to let them know what my family and I are passing through.
Your Majesty, assembling the villagers won't be the ideal solution. Yes.
Did I hear you say ideal? What do you know about ideal? Speak to me! What do you know about ideal? Is this ideal? I'm asking you, is this ideal? You're not talking anymore. You no longer have words. What should I do? It is obvious that my council of elders have no clue concerning what I am passing through or how it can be handled. Now you see, there is nothing ideal about this.
Your Majesty, Akataka said the solution to this problem is within the kingdom. It coincides with what Agwa, the old woman, said. Could you remember that she said what to seek from afar is within? What in Ukala?
Icheude, that woman is a drunk. and have not been stable mentally. Her words is unstable and should not be taken seriously.
You listen to me. Let it be the first and the last time you mention that woman here again. I was talking! You were dancing! Let me not hear that woman's name here again. Do you understand? You're putting your face down. Look at me! Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, Your Majesty.
You're right. That woman is a drunk. Just a beggar who talks carelessly.
You know her, Your Majesty.
Wait a minute. Did you point this miserable fingers of yours at me?
Majesty.
Get out this minute! Both of you! Out! Are you catwalking? Move! Move it! Sorry! Get out! Out!
My king, what is this? What is this?
I do not know what to say.
A strange tortil? On your seat? What is all this? What did the Dibia say?
There is a curse on the throne. The solution lies within the kingdom.
Oh, no, this is ridiculous. Whose kingdom?
Still a mystery. I cannot solve.
And none of the elders has any idea on what you should do.
They are still as confused as I am. But I've asked them to give me time. Time to think.
You must be hungry. Let me get you something to eat at least, okay?
I do not have appetite. Do not worry yourself, I'll be fine.
Oh no, my king. My king. You're thinking too much. You need to relax, please. This is not good for your mental health. And moreover, your children won't be happy seeing you like this. Please, just take it easy.
Not to worry yourself. Go upstairs. Rest. Take care of the kids. Give me a little time to unravel this mystery. upstairs. Now! I want to be left alone. Mom! Upstairs.
Your food is ready. Should I serve your food?
Please hurry.
Okay.
I'm very hungry. What are you standing there for?
Nai,
Yes.
I observe you have been moody since yesterday you came back. I hope it has nothing to do with your trip.
No, Kiru.
Nai.
Go and bring my food. I'm hungry.
It's okay.
Nakiru! Nakiru!
Nai!
Chineke, look at Margot.
Hey! Nai, Ikuriku! Ikuriku!
Margot in my food.
Hey! Abomination! Nai, something is wrong somewhere. Hey! Chimo!
You are very right. Something is wrong somewhere.
Yes.
Gods of our land, don't consume us in anger, please. Ah! Margot! Igwe. Yes. Igwe, Your Majesty. Yes. Igwe, something is happening here. My food. Yes, everywhere, Margot. Margot covered my food. Even my wash hand water filled with blood. My food. Hey! See that, me. Okay, sir, I am on my way, please.
Wait, let me serve you another food.
Ah!
No.
No. Eh? I'm coming.
Let me. No, wait now.
I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming. Wait.
Menso, I'm very hungry. I'm so tired. Let's just go home, please.
Ogo, calm down, please. I'm clearing more portion of land than you're clearing, eh?
I'm hungry. Do you want to finish this farm all just today?
Ogo, no. We're not finishing it, but you know, we have to cover a larger portion. By the time we come back next time, it will be less. Oh, Biko, try. Continue now. Oh, Ogo, please. Continue.
You always do that. I don't like it.
Sorry. Oh, continue. We'll soon leave, eh? Yeah?
Okay.
Continue, we'll soon leave. Don't worry, we'll eat very soon.
Run! You will die! Until we die! We die!
Did you hear that?
Run! 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 Run!
Amaka, why are you locking the door? Where are you going to?
I'm going out. I'm scared of staying in this house alone.
Scared? Scared of what? Huh? Listen, the community is in a big problem right now. Everyone is in a diverse crisis. Huh? Where are you going to?
Brother, I got scared when the water I wanted to take my bath with turned into blood.
Guinea? Turned into blood?
Yes.
But the problem is, how are you sure where you're going to is safe? Huh? How are you sure it's safe?
Then, Brother Sunday, what do you suggest we do?
I mean, you know what? It's better we stay in this house. Yes. Let's stay here. I mean, whatever will happen, let it happen to us while we're still in this house. Eh? The earth cannot swallow us. Oh? Let's go inside. There's no need getting scared. If we want to die, let's die in this community. Let's go inside. There's the key. Come inside. Strange things are happening in this community.
What my eyes see cannot be easily explained with my mouth. My eyes have seen my ears.
The palm fruit has fallen at the tip of the farm front. It is an abomination.
What do we do?
What else than to let the Igwe know the latest happenings in this community?
Let's go now.
Let's be going. Let's be going.
Greetings. Why are you girls running like trailers that lost control?
Oh no, we're farming in our farmland when all of a sudden we heard a strange loud voice.
Strange voice?
Yes or no? And the voice said, we should run, else we die. And now, we had never heard such voice before.
Voice?
Nay, we heard it with our 2 ears. It was so loud.
Voices?
Yes or no? And we have no option than to run for our lives.
Things are happening in this village. All right, let me get to the palace.
beautiful princesses.
Mommy! Oh! You're here and we've been looking for you inside.
Oh, my beautiful princesses. Is there anything you want mommy to do for you?
We came here to tell you what we want for dinner.
Oh, okay. So you name anything you want for dinner and trust me, it shall be granted. I'm all ears.
What are we going to have?
Your Majesty, things have gone out of hand and urgent steps are needed to make things normal. We can't sit here and watch she-goat delivers wild tied to its teethers.
Enough! That is not why I called you here. I did not call you here for some stupid, idiomatic expression. I called you for something very important. Look at you. Aren't you the Onowu of this kingdom? The Prime Minister of my kingdom. Look at you. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You are the Prime Minister, the Onowu of my kingdom, and yet you do not have any contribution, any suggestion as to what we are going through. We have pressing issues. We need to provide solution to the calamity that has befallen this great kingdom. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You and other members of my cabinet are a bunch of disappointments. Yes! Where is Ebo? Where is Ude?
Your Majesty, calm down. You don't need to talk like this. They are on their way coming.
When? I gave an appointment. They are supposed to be able to look at how nonchalant they are. We have serious issues. We need solutions to the calamity that has befallen this great kingdom. We need to unravel the mystery that our solution lies within. These are the answers you're supposed to give to me and not some stupid, idiomatic expressions. I need... What is it? What happened?
What
happened?
She suddenly snapped. I don't know. It's got to do something. And it makes me so I don't want to do anything.
What do I do?
Your Majesty, I think Aqua, the old woman, may be of help. Let's ask her questions. I have not forgotten what she said, that what we seek from afar is within.
Then we should go see at once. Yeah. That was exactly what Akataka said. Can we go? Lead me the way, babe. Just keep an eye on her.
Alright.
No, I'm ready. Shall we? Shall we? Shall we?
We shall!
Move back!
Yes, sir.
Move back! Keep an eye on my daughter. Shall we? Go!
Alright. Please wake up. I don't want to live.
Aqua! Aqua, where are you? Aqua! Aqua, where are you? Aqua!
I knew you would be back.
Aqua, what do you mean when you said what we seek from afar is within?
Shh! You and Abel are wicked and terrible. Keep your mouth shut.
Aqua, please. We have come to seek for help. My kingdom is engulfed with calamities and crises. As I speak, one of my daughters is at the verge of death. Please come to our rescue. Please.
Why? Why would I do that?
Akataka, a Dibia in the far distant land, said that the solution lies within. And that is exactly what you said. There's something we need to know.
I'm only listening to you because you gave me money for palm wine some weeks back. Do you remember?
What's wrong with you, this old woman? Do you want to be killed?
And who is going to kill me? You? Or the car? Or is it you? I only speak with kings. Tell His Majesty I would like to see him.
Why do you love standing in front of moving vehicles?
You see, we're talking like kings. Your Majesty, you are the king of the kingdom, and I am the king of the jungle. Are you not going to give me money to buy palm wine? Or at least take care of my needs?
Stop staying in front of moving vehicles!
Give me.
Where is the money?
Give me. Igwe! Okay, you can move. You can move your vehicle. It's clear. You can go. Palm wine. Palm wine.
Open the car for Igwe.
Palm wine. Do you remember now?
Yes, I do. Aqua, please. Help us. We really need your help.
Your daughter will not die. Now you go. I will be with you shortly.
Aqua, you don't understand the urgency of this matter.
I said go. I will be with you.
My dear, I'm scared of what I'm hearing that is happening in this kingdom recently.
Girlfriend, I'm speechless. Like if nothing is done quickly, we all may be consumed.
Oh, forbid. I don't want to be among those that will be consumed.
Were you not here when the princess suddenly slumped?
I just pray nothing happens to her.
I pray so. I hope nothing happens to her.
Maiden, what are you talking about again? Won't you focus on performing your duties?
How is it your business?
And when did you become our boss? Ask him. When did you suddenly become our supervisor? Emergency supervisor. Rubbish. My dear, let's continue. If you like, continue listening to female gossip. Don't mind her.
But I don't have time for you girls.
Guy, I am thinking of going away from this palace if all these sudden crises continue.
My problem is that no one knows what will happen next. Imagine the Mana Princess Surena collapsed. Ha!
My fear is that if anything happens to her, His Majesty will turn this palace into a living hell for all of us.
You are right. Wait, come to think of it. You know the Igwe's presence is intimidating already. If anything should happen to that princess.
It's our prayer that nothing happen to your little princess. I don't know that men also gossip. Well, I have come to inform you guys your food is ready. If you want, come to the kitchen and get your food, so that you guys can as well have anything to continue to so-called gossips. I'm off.
Wait. Do you see why I hate women? You just wasted a lot of energy coming from the same kitchen to outside to meet us. What stops you from bringing the food to us? Why are you people wicked?
Yes.
Fear. Come bring the food outside.
I'm afraid.
How did you find me?
Where is your daughter? That is why I'm here.
She should be upstairs in her room. We can go there.
I am not going in there. You go and bring her out!
Leprosy!
Your Majesty.
Yeah. Go upstairs. Bring my daughter. Move it.
Your Majesty.
Oh, I need fresh and sweet palm wine. May I have some?
Well, unfortunately, we do not have fresh palm wine in the house. How about I give you money so you can buy as much as you want?
Give me the money. I'll buy any quantity. Let me have the money. What are you?
Easy.
Watch your head. Pull down her dress, for she is a lady. My money, my money. My money, my money. Huh? Oh, palm wine. Fresh palm wine. I will buy. Give me water. Water.
COVID! Your Majesty. Fast!
Idiot, open it!
Fast!
Are you alright, my daughter?
I'm fine, thank you.
Fine, thank you! You ought to be thankful. You ought to be thankful. Huh? You saw my money and you didn't tell me. You want to take my money? Take my money. Someone pick my money. Okay, I'll pick it myself. Be good. Palm wine. I'm going to buy palm wine.
How about my chief girl leprosy should drop you off?
I don't want anyone to drop me off. I know my way around this vicinity. Leprosy. How
about COVID?
Oh! It would kill me. I know how to transport myself home. Palm wine. Hey!
I heard my sister telling you about Ijele wine.
So you know about her?
Who doesn't know Ijele wine? The most powerful jungle queen. We can take you there if you want.
Okay, I've already told Shoma to dress up.
Okay.
You know what? You two should go and dress up, so you both can accompany me.
Okay.
I'll be here waiting for you, just be fast about it.
Okay.
Alright.
So how have you two been coping?
Oh, we have been living like one united family.
I am happy to hear that peace has returned to your home.
Thank you very much. Thank you for everything. It has been your initiative. Thank you.
The gods be praised.
You say?
Are you sure you do not want me to offer you anything?
We are fine, Ijele wine. Thanks for believing.
The gods go and be with you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We take our leave. Let's go. Hey.
Why do people think I am evil when the record shows I am worthy of emulation?
Honestly, I don't know.
It's the irony of life. Remember, keep your mouth shut.
Sochi, why will you be flirting with another man? Why you know it will endanger your husband's life? Aye, Sochi?
Sochima, you want to kill me so that we could go and start having fun with your lovers? You want me to die, Sochima? It will not be well with you.
I'm not guilty of this accusation. I'm innocent.
You are even still lying.
No.
Shut up. You are talking as if we don't know you. We know how many of our friends you have slept with.
Sochi, you are guilty. You are guilty.
So stop denying. Our custom and tradition is clear. You will be stoned to death.
Bam! You want to kill my brother for me?
See,
Sochima!
yes, we all know the consequences of the accusation. Rubbish. Sochima. Hey.
What has she done that you want to kill her?
She was caught sleeping with another man, and it's abominable act.
How do you mean?
Ijelewan, if she should eat any food she cook, I will die. So she have to die.
I'm innocent, my husband. Believe me,
You will be stoned to death.
What? And when
you will be stoned to death.
I guess we are.
Obia.
Very well then. Woman, step into this place. Let he or she that has never committed such abominable act be the first to cast a stone. I warn you, if you are guilty of this same crime and you dare cast a stone on her, you will die. Proceed.
Masala baby.
My Lord.
They have all gone. Nobody stoned her.
Only her chi can condemn her.
Thank you, Jeremiah.
Your wife is innocent. Evil men have conspired and accused her falsely because she has refused to sleep with them.
Hey!
Secure your home and stop listening to gossips.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jeremiah.
I'm so sorry. Please, my love, I'm sorry. Please. I'm so sorry. Let's go. Let's go. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me, my love. Forgive me. I'm sorry.
Why do people think I am evil when the record shows I am worthy of emulation?
Honestly, I don't know.
It's the irony of life. Remember, keep your mouth shut.
Dream again. My mouth is sealed.
One name. Ogo. Oh, Papa.
Oh, Monsieur.
Sir.
Papa, I'm back. Oh. Hey, one day. What happened? The crisis that enveloped our community has finally stopped. But how did you know? I heard the rumors everywhere around the village. And myself, I was opportune to see some of the victims that were affected by the plagues. They are all now healed. This is good news, sir. Papa, can you hear that? Sister, that means now we can go ahead with our business without any fear. You can say that again. Hey.
Gods of our land, thank you for honoring the words of Aqua. Who would have believed her pronouncement will come to pass? That's a good news. You are just coming back from the market.
Yes, sir.
Please, go and get me something to eat.
Okay, sir.
You,
Ogo,
follow that.
please, let's go. Let's have food.
This deserves a celebration.
Yes,
Go and just cook something to eat.
You are fire.
Hi.
You are
the sweetest woman.
You would have believed how such straight in the other room.
You are the sweetest woman by Jampa.
Now, which one is Jampa again?
I will explain it to you when next time. I can come this evening.
Jesus! Now, what is it now? What is the meaning of that embarrassment?
Evelyn, you call it embarrassment. Who was that man you brought into my house?
Is the shoemaker that came to repair my slippers now?
Hey.
Or what were you thinking he came here to do?
Evelyn, stop lying. I know I might be blind, but I have feelings. I have feelings. And I know the man you were with. I know the person you were with.
Who was I with if not the shoemaker?
It's okay. Don't worry. I will tell you the person when the time comes. Yes. I will tell you.
You was the shoemaker now?
I will tell the Umada when the time comes.
Umada? It was the shoemaker now?
I will
tell you, Umada.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Whose son is this and what is he doing here?
I was asked to watch over him.
You were asked to watch over him? By who?
I don't know, Your Majesty.
You don't know?
Do not touch that face!
Why? Why shouldn't I touch him? He's in my house.
I will kill you if you touch him.
I'll touch this child no matter what. It's my responsibility.
Be prepared to die.
Go ahead. Kill me. But as for this boy, he is my responsibility.
What do you want from me? Let me be! Leave me alone!
Please. Can I keep my son, please?
What do you want from me?
Surrender the baby now!
No. No, I won't. Let me have my child, please. Let me go. What do you want from me?
Very well then. I'll have to kill you.
No. No, 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 no. You can have him. 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 Please.
Oh, you can kill me. She cannot kill me. This mysterious nightmare again. Why is this happening to me? Why? Why do I keep having this nightmare? Why? Why can't I have a son? Why? All the witch doctors and dream interpreters they brought to me are all unable to tell me my dream. Not to talk of interpreting them. What am I going to do? How long is this going to last? Will I ever find a solution to this problem? Gods of my ancestors, what do I do?
Your Majesty, you are welcome.
Thank you very much, Aqua. I want to thank you very much for what you did for my family, for healing my daughter, and most importantly, to let you know that the calamities that befell my kingdom have ceased. Thank you.
That is not why you are here. I know why you're here.
You do?
You're here because of the nightmares that have been disturbing you.
How did you know about my nightmares?
The great lot you do not know that you ought to know. But someday I would tell you what.
Aqua, please. There's no better time than now.
I have to go and take my palm wine. Would you like to come along?
Of course. Of course.
Let's go. Do 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 da bo. Do 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 da bo da bo.
for you.
How may I help you?
Ijelenwai, our Igwe is dying. They informed us you are the only one that can heal him.
Yes, Ijelenwai. Please help us. Heal our Igwe.
Indeed, I am Ijelenwai. Nkenkenyi na-achụ Igwe efi ọsọ. What is the name of your king?
His name is Igwe Obidike of Umuagunze Kingdom. He's really at his point of death. Please, Ijelenwai, help us, please.
Your king is a good man. He doesn't deserve to die. I shall get you some herbs for him.
Thank you, Ijelenwai.